In primetime news this evening, political game of chess. Prime Minister calls by-election in northeastern St. Anne. PNP says it won't contest as it is too close to the general election. And most JLP supporters happy to see the back of Marsha Smith in northeastern St. Anne.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I am Andrea Chisholm with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Andrea, according to the Planning Institute of Jamaica, PIOJ, the economy saw slower than expected growth in the quarter that just ended. I'll have those details and I'll also have what they're saying about the coming quarter. And the word is, growth is expected to be negative.
All right, thank you, Keys. And Jermaine Brown has a preview of what's coming up in the big show, Primetime Sports.
Well, thanks, Archie. Well, another major awards nomination for reggae girl Khadija Bonnie Shaw, and just about a dozen Jamaicans will be lining up at the Zurich Diamond League meet on Thursday. We'll tell you more a bit later on.
Thank you, Jermaine. There's also weather in this newscast. Romaine Robinson, it was raining today. What's up with the weather?
Yes, it was raining today, and so we have a flash flood watch that is in effect for all parishes until 5 o'clock in the afternoon tomorrow. We are expecting continued shower activity across the area. The tropical wave is still with us, still helping to generate clouds and convection across the area.
Thanks, Romaine. That and much more in the weather report later on in the newscast. There's also sports commentary at E-Prime. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what do you make of the announcement to have a by-election in northeastern St. Anne?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and you can post on X at tvjnews Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News continues right after this break.